Hey everyone. So this is Harsh, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can basically build anything with Gemini 3. So in this video, what we are going to cover is that we are going to basically do image analysis with compared to GPT-4o, right? Then we'll do factual accuracy evaluation in Aneton. Basically, if you know, there's a feature called evaluation where you can basically evaluate your output with a different model with different variation or variables, right? So that we are gonna do, and then we'll also see how you can basically access Gemini 3 Pro via HTTP, right? Because there are certain limitation with accessing Gemini 3 Pro with Gemini native node in N8n, right? So we'll talk about that as well. So this video is like packed with everything about Gemini 3 Pro and how you can use it in N8n and you can build anything out of it, right? So again, right now Gemini 3 is most hottest topic in the on the internet because they claim that this model can basically beat any other model out there on the market, and right now it is like actually beating everything, every model which possibly there in the market, right? So again, this is the Gemini API doc where you can find the developer guide for Gemini 3, which you can use to basically use their API, right? So now again, this is very simple to understand guide where you just need to basically think about how you can basically integrate Gemini 3 APIs in different ways using Python, JavaScript, or REST, right? And then to access the Gemini API key, basically what you need to do is that you need to just click on this cat API key, and it will basically redirect you to the Google AI Studio where you can click on this create API key, and then it will be created, right? And then you can use that API key to access any Gemini model, including Gemini 3 Pro, right? So that's how you can basically access Gemini through API. But again, in NN, we already have a Gemini native node, which we can use to access all the models that Gemini has to offer, right? So now, first thing that we are gonna do is image analysis with compared to GPT-4o, right? So this is the workflow for that, and now what we are gonna do is that the first step is like we'll upload the image, and once the image will be uploaded, it will then send to Gemini 3 Pro, and Gemini 3 Pro will then analyze the image and give us the description of that image. Similarly, it will also send to the GPT-4o, right? And then it will then analyze the image and then give us the description, right? And then we'll see which one is more detailed and nuance and also like the correct one, right? So by doing this, we can basically compare which one is giving us really accurate, good, efficient output when it comes analyzing the images, right? So let's do that on form submission. So yeah, now here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like upload a very basic image of my workflow, right? So this is one of the workflow that we are using, right? So this has been uploaded, and now we'll wait for Gemini to give us the description, and then we'll wait for OpenAI to give us the description of that image, right? So yeah, I think Gemini has already given us the description of the image. Let me put myself aside for a moment and let's read this output. Right, so based on the image provided, here's a detailed breakdown of the automation workflow that appears to be the screenshot from this is, and here the step-by-step sequence. First, it will trigger the data collection, AI latest news, and then this. So basically, it is much detail in detailed manner. It actually explaining us that how the entire workflow is working. Right now, let's also look at the GPT-4o description. Again, this is very brief and very short description. It didn't explain us details of the workflow, and let's say if I share it with someone, there might be chances that that person will not be able to understand this workflow entirely, right? So again, in this case, I think Gemini is pretty much good at explaining the images. So yeah, 1 point to Gemini in image analysis. So now let's look at the factual accuracy evaluation. Right now, again, I'm not gonna go over like how to how to set up this evaluation in Aneton. Probably I'll make another video for that where I'll be explaining how you can basically do model evaluation, variable evaluation, like your prompt evaluation, so that you can basically test it out with different prompts, with different models, and then basis on that you can able to decide which one is more efficient for your use case, right? So for now, what actually we have done is that we are actually fetching data from Google Sheet. In our case, this is the Google Sheet that we are using. So now in this, there are a set of questions in column A, and then there are a set of answers in column B, right? Now, what we want is that we want to basically evaluate the AI answers based on the questions that we already have in the Google Sheet, and then we'll see if AI model is like giving us a correct answer or not, right? So we are here actually evaluating the correctness of the answers, and for that, what we did is that around these questions and answer, we have actually feeded the information around that, right? So now, basis on that information, what we'll do is that we'll ask these AI models to give us the answers based on the information that we have given to them, and then we'll then evaluate the answer compared to the previous answer that we already have in the sheet, right? Now here is the evaluation set metrics node in which we have selected correctness. We want correctness, right? And then this is the predefined prompt that this node is giving you, right? Again, you can change it if you want, but for this for the purpose of this testing, we don't need to change anything in it. But let's say if you're doing some custom testing, you can definitely change this prompt according to your requirements. So now over here we actually fetching the expected answer from the Google Sheet, and this is the actual answers that this AI model is generating based on the document that we have given to them, right? And then in the last step, what we are doing is that we are actually adding those output in the Google Sheet in the C column, right? And now let's look at that. So now I already have one evaluation already ran, and that is for like Gemini 3 Pro. Now what we can do is that instead of Gemini 3 Pro, we will use, let's say, OpenAI chat model, and then in that we'll use GPT-5, right? And then we'll compare both the model and see which one is more accurate. Yeah, GPT-5, got it. Now let's run this evaluation. And if you see the evaluation, if you see this column, so it's already started running. Okay, let me go and let me click on run test. Yeah, so it has started running, and if you just click on that, you will get the details of like how many columns has been finished already, right? So here you will get that data. Let me show you the Gemini 5. So this is from the Gemini 3, sorry, not Gemini 5, Gemini 3.0 model. And these are the all the correctness for each and every questions that we have in the Google Sheet. And it will also give you the completion tokens, prompt tokens, how many tokens we have used in prompting, in completion, how many total tokens we have used, and all of that, right? So again, one answer has been evaluated. So that's how it will also, it will actually evaluated all the 10 questions, and basis on which it will give us the numbers over here, right? So again, what we can do is that we can see how much, like how well this model is giving us the correct answer. So again, this is out of 5. So right now, Gemini 3 or 3.0 is like giving us 4.2 marking out of 5, which is pretty much good, but we'll see for the GPT-5 as well. And the execution time is this is the total tokens that it has used, right? So now let's pause for a minute, and then I'll come back after the evaluation will be finished. So yeah. Now, as you can see, the workflow has been completed, and if you see, the accuracy of GPT-5 is quite more than Gemini 3 Pro, right? Again, execution time is also quite less, and that, but again, the token it has consumed is more than what Gemini 3 Pro has consumed, right? So again, if you if you are more concerned about like how many tokens it will consume, the correctness and all of that, it again depends on the individual, what exactly they want. If they want spend if they want to spend more money but want like more accurate output, they can go with a particular model that actually gives them a really good accurate output, right? Again, it totally depend on the situation and the individual. But here what you can do is, the purpose of doing is that to show you that you can basically evaluate different models, you can evaluate different variables, prompts and all of that, and then based on that you can decide which one is more efficient for your requirement, right? So that is the purpose of doing this. Again, in this case, Gemini 3 Pro has been beaten out by GPT-5 for sure, right? So now let's get back to, again, the data set that we have in the Google Sheet is like very small. But again, if you want a concrete conclusion, you have to have a really large data set on which you will basically testing out these models, and then you can basically conclude that which one is better for your requirement, right? Now the third one that we are going to check is Access Gemini 3 via HTTP. Now why this is very important, because if you see on the dog there are like two models, high dynamic thinking and low thinking. Right now if you see, if you look at the native node of Gemini, you will not be able to see those options that you can enable, right? So if you see over here, let me, yeah, if you see this, so basically no, not this one. Okay, let's say if you select this Gemini, right? And if you click on message model, now under this option, you will see all of the system message, present penalty, number of completion, thinking budget. Again, this is quite different than what we are talking about here, which is low quality thinking or high quality thinking, right? So again, you will not find those options in native node. So that's why if you want to access this, if you want to save up some cost, if there are some tasks which are not required high or dynamic thinking, in that case you have to enable low thinking, right? And in to be able to do that, you have to basically access that functionality through API. So that is why sometimes in some scenarios we have to use API, and you should be able to understand how to use that, right? So in our case, what we did is that we use HTTP request node, and over here just copy this C URL, or you can say curl, right? And then click on this import curl, and then paste it over here, and then you can click on import, and it will be imported into HTTP request. Now one thing that you have to remember is that when you import curl from directly from Gemini, you will see some errors in your JSON, right? So you will see that by default using fill below will be selected, and that's the wrong way of doing it, right? So select using JSON and copy this over here, right? If you see low thinking, so oh, okay, yeah. So in that case, copy this, do not copy with quote, right? And go to n8n, and over here you can basically paste it over here, right? Now one thing that you need to be very careful about is that if you see, there is no double quote in Gemini over here, right? But again, that's if you just copy as it is, you will face the error that your JSON payload is invalid, right? In that case, what you can do if that happens, go to ChatGPT, give this entire JSON payload to ChatGPT, and then ask ChatGPT to give you the correct version of it, right? So it will then give you the correct version. You can just copy it and then copy paste it, and then yeah, you're good to go. Right now, once you are done with that, you can basically use this via chat message received. Let me do that. Put me hey, so it will then answer back to me, right? So yeah, so it has actually basically answer back to me. Again, I think we haven't have, oh yeah, let me ask, how are you? Yeah, Hey, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. As an AI, I don't have a feelings or physical body, but again, you can modify this structure. The purpose of this to show you is that you can sometimes you have to use HTTP request and you have to access Gemini 3 Pro model via API, right? So yeah, that's how you can use it via HTTP request. Now, if you have any questions or any concern or anything around Gemini 3 that you want me to create, just comment down below and I'll be happy to create another video around that particular question or the request, right? So I hope you find this video really well valuable and helpful. If yes, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more such content. So yeah, I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care.